Hi everyone, I'm Kin Hao, and now I'm going to present my CSCI361 assignment 4, which is a simple chat program, and the message sent and received is encrypted and decrypted by entering EDR encryption using CFB mode. I'll present it using the VirtualBox machine. And to run the program inside the VirtualBox machine, you need to first update the version of package information, then install the crypto++ library, and also install the G++ compiler by entering this command inside the terminal. After that, you also need to make sure that the C++ file is safe inside your VirtualBox machine. Then you can start to compile it. Okay. By entering this command to compile the C++ file, okay, this is my server program. Okay, after compile it, now I'm going to run the file that generate. Okay, it will first prompt the server to enter a port number, which is I think 6000. Okay, next we need to go to the client side to compile the client C++ file. Then run the client file, and the client need to enter the server IP address, which is 168. And the port number is 6000. Okay, now the client is connected to the server. Okay, the client will first generate the key pairs, which is the public key and private key, and then hash the public key and send the public key and its hash to server. Okay. Then the server side will receive the public key and its hash from client. Then the server will generate a hash key by using the public key received, like what's shown here. And the server will use the hash key generated to compare with the hash key received to verify it. If they are the same, then verify successfully. Okay. After that, the server will generate the session key, which is the EDR key size. Then the server will encrypt the session key using the public key received from the client just now, and also hash the session key. Then both the encrypted session key and hash session key will be sent to the client. Okay. Upon the client after receive the encrypted and hashed session key, then the client will decrypt the session key using the private key. After decrypt the session key, the client will also hash the session key again to compare with the hash session key received from the server. If they are the same, then verify successfully. Okay. After client verifies successfully, the chat session has started, and the client can now start the conversation with the server. Okay, and here show that the server is awaiting for client response. Okay, like I enter hi from client to server, then the server will receive a encrypted message, and it will use the session key and a fixed IV, which I set it to sessions. I will show later that one. Then use it to decrypt the message. Same, it goes to the server to client, like hi here. Yeah, as you can see, the encrypted message is same because the encrypted way and the decrypted way of the client and server are the same. Client server. Okay, and how to stop it? Like if I enter the quick message send, okay, the session will quick and the connection between the client and server will close. Okay, now we are going to see the code. Okay, the server IP address and port number is entered by the user, the client, and here is the connect function in the socket programming. You can find the socket programming in C++ from YouTube or Google, whatever. There's many example. Okay, here is how I'm going to generate my private and public key. The hash algorithm I use is all provided by the Crypto++ library. And here's the send function inside the socket programming, receive function inside the socket programming. And okay, here's the decrypt the session key using the decrypt the private key. And yeah, the message is encrypted and decrypted using the area encryption by CFB mode. Okay. And here's the close function inside the socket programming. Okay. That's all for my presentation, for my assignment 4. Thank you.